What's the time of delivery time?
17.
17. It only took like 5 minutes for the baby to come out.
Yeah. I didn't get to see what they looked like in their first form before I got to see him.
Yeah.
That was a really good experience.
Yeah.
Totally different than last time.
Yeah, the last time was such a rush. Everything was kind of under stress.
So cute.
Yeah.
And this guy isn't a small baby either.
How much does he weigh?
I don't know, we won't know yet.
So it's born on the 16th at 10:17.
I'm 17.
Yeah. They're just talking about it.
Another baby.
He's already so quiet.
Little baby Devin.
He's trying to figure out what the heck is going on.
He's like, I'm not inside anymore.
No.
I know.
Take a deep breath. Remember to take deep breaths.
There he is. Yep, it'll be cool when you get to hold them. It's pretty cool holding them. They're so tiny. I don't remember Dresden so small.
I'm in the
The last time with Dresden, I only got to see him for like 2 seconds.
See if you can find another anesthesiologist also.
It's so small.
One of the managers maybe.
If it like,
It's like sucking
Jeff or somebody who's interested, just let them know. And I'm going to be, it's just kind of crazy up here. I'm going to be up, possibly down to say hi in an hour.
You turn him a little bit so I can see his face.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Did you get your taxes done? Oh, no.
Can't wait to hold him.
yeah.
Really? Nice and pink. Okay, good.
Turn him a little bit so I can see.
Yeah. So we'll just figure out touching that
It
little.
makes this part a little easier, doesn't it? When
Yeah.
I'm doing this.
Yeah.
I mean,
I watched him come out.
Did you watch him?
I am so proud of him.
All of a sudden you see a head pop out.
He's 35.
Did his head come out first?
Yeah. Laura's got it all in the
Yep.
Thank you very much.
I think I have mascara running down my face.